Hey, welcome back to the channel, all you friends, family, and all you real ones out there. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. Holla at your boy. My name is Michael Wright, and I want to talk to you guys today about Dr. Vincent Ortega Jr.'s quantum affirmations and how they can help not only change your mindset, but give you a sense of peace and calmness and understanding by allowing the vibrations kind of going through you when you're really listening to it. Now, me, myself, personally, the only free time I have is in the truck lately while I'm driving between places that I need to be. So this is when I do a lot of the most studying in my case. Now, I actually listen to the quantum affirmations while I'm driving to get my mind reset back into a positive mind state, but also a sense of purpose and a sense of bliss where I get that clarity. And it is amazing the difference that everything has after you've been subjected to these, because by listening to them, especially in a vehicle where you can have the radio up loud or there's a lot of bass, so you can really hear the hertz going through your body, because everything is a vibration, right? And that's what quantum affirmations is talking about, is being on the right vibration or the right frequency to kind of connect with something that is greater than ourselves. And listening to the quantum affirmations and feeling the hertz of the music kind of in the background coming through, especially on a car stereo where you can really crank it and really feel it. It's pretty amazing the difference that it has on you and your body. See, I live a stressful life, and a lot of us do. And because of that stressful life, we always find ourselves on the go, 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 go. And that's no different, for myself than it is probably for pretty much all of you. So being you're on the go all the time, you don't always stop to give yourself that reset, that mental reset. Like taking a nap might be a physical reset and gives your body a break all the way around. Well, this in a sense is kind of the same thing, but just kind of mentally while you're driving to kind of get realigned, kind of get your energy refocused. And the quantum affirmations are perfect for this. See, by listening to them, especially after about 5 or 10 minutes, then your mind really starts to absorb the information. See, in the beginning, you still got trapped of all the thoughts and things that are banging around up there and all of the other pressures. You're still thinking about that within the first few minutes of listening to the quantum affirmations. But what you'll notice, especially driving, is that by focusing on your driving, but you're listening to the quantum affirmations, you can really feel them kind of going through your body if you can really crank up that radio. And that's going to have an amazing effect on the effectiveness of the quantum affirmations, and being able to kind of feel that vibration. It really kind of resets the battery, so to speak, or resets the whole programming that you have. You could be having the worst day ever. You can pump these things on for about 10-15 minutes of driving, maybe a little bit longer, and then all of a sudden you realize, hey, this is pretty amazing. I'm starting to feel really good. And then your mindset changes. And that is all due to the way that the quantum affirmations are designed and the actual hertz that you can feel going through your body, the vibrations that you can feel going through your body. So this is a critical thing whenever you own any kind of company or any kind of business, is to get your mindset right. And how do you, when things are going crazy, kind of reset the clock mentally without getting overwhelmed and getting super anxious? Well, this is a fantastic solution for that kind of a problem. So I highly recommend Dr. Vincent Ortega Jr.'s quantum affirmations. I will leave a link for it below in the description, so that way you guys can go ahead and click in there and check it out. So remember, mental health is one of the most important parts of the health, right? We have our physical health. We have to do all these things to keep ourselves physically fit. Well, this is something that you can do to help keep yourself mentally fit. You might not even recognize the benefits of it until after you kind of relax and you kind of feel it later on in the day. And that's kind of like when you're working out, you kind of work real hard, you get real tired after, but then a little bit later you can really feel that positiveness flowing through you after working out. You can really feel that energy kind of coming through you. And this is going to do the same thing mentally for your mentality. So this is like working out for your mentality. And the better that you kind of give yourself that mental break, and the better you give yourself that physical work and that mental work, the quicker the results that you're looking for are going to come. So I appreciate you guys' time hanging out with me here in the truck. I hope this kind of reaches you well, and you kind of respond to it, because these kinds of things are things that are super beneficial, that could really benefit your life regardless of where you're at in life. So I appreciate your time. If you like these kind of comments and this kind of content, why don't you go ahead and click a like, comment, and subscribe below. If you have any questions, holler at your boy. I'd be happy to answer them when I have time to. And until then, stay blessed, family. Stay bullish.